welcome back to She's in Her Apron. I am so glad you're here with me today because today I'm doing a collab with my good friend Samantha from Happily A Housewife. We decided to bring you today some DIY gift ideas that you could put together really quick. I know the 3 that Samantha has prepared for you and they're awesome. So after this video, please go and check out Samantha's channel. And if you're new here, hello, I am Kimmy. I would love it if you subscribe and join our family. And everyone hit the bell notification so you know when I upload, and give this video a thumbs up. Samantha is amazing. She has 3 beautiful kids. She recently just went back to work, so she's sharing with you how she is juggling with that, the kids, school, being a baseball mom. She's amazing. So it's a week before Christmas, and a few neighbors have given you gifts, maybe a few co-workers. You want to give the kids' teacher a little something, and you have no time. No time to do a big DIY or even get all your ingredients out and start baking. The thought is giving you anxiety, and frankly, you just want to crawl in a hole and forget the whole thing. Well, I'm about to show you how you don't even need to bake, how you could get something store-bought and make it completely your own. All right, aprons on, let's go.
Instead of baking, you went to the store and you grabbed yourself some sugar cookies. You can give them the whole package, tie a ribbon around it, put a tag on it, and wish them a Merry Christmas. Or take some candy melts and melt them down. Go find yourself some small candy canes, put them in a Ziploc bag, and then just start crushing them up. So I got them down to some small pieces. You've got your melted down candy melts, and you could dip your cookies right into them if you want. Or you could drizzle on one side. And then hurry and hit it with some of the peppermint. You can even do sprinkles. Yes, you would love to decorate cookies for them, but you still don't have the time. Go grab a box of already decorated cookies and just bag these up. So I found this at Walmart, I want to say maybe last year. And it's simple. It comes with a plate to put your cookies on, a clear bag to wrap it up in with a bow and tag. Who's to say you didn't slave over all these cookies, right? Who doesn't love an Oreo? Dip your Oreo in the candy melts and sprinkle with the peppermint candy. And there they have a yummy peppermint Oreo cookie. So I just added 4 cookies and tied a ribbon around the bag, and it makes a cute, sweet, personal Christmas treat. Or you could take the easy way out and go grab a box that's already done for you. These are from Trader Joe's, and these are the dark chocolate covered peppermint JoJo's. The JoJo's already have peppermint in the cream. So good, my kids love them. Now, you could put a tag on these with a bow and hand them to your friend, neighbor, teacher, coworker, or you can have it look like you made them all by yourself. Trader Joe's also has these dark chocolate covered peppermint creams. Give it just as is in the box. Or grab yourself a mason jar. Grab some Christmas ribbon. Grab the top. Take your ribbon. Make your ribbon even. Put it at the bottom. Set it on top of your can. Then add your screw. Then add the, I don't know what this is called. Then add this screw thing on. I don't know, what is that called? I don't know. Twist that on, and then just tie your ribbon. And then voila, you have your treat that you want to give them inside the mason jar, tied with the bow on top, and that is a lovely gift that you could give to someone. Now you've just saw how time consuming it could be to dip a cookie in chocolate, or even a pretzel in chocolate and sprinkle it. So Trader Joe's has chocolate covered pretzel twists. They're now one of my favorite things. There's dark chocolate with peppermint candy chunks, dark chocolate with diced almonds, and dark chocolate drizzle. And then my little Shaylee's favorite is the milk chocolate with rainbow sprinkles. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have any quick DIY or any neighbor gifts, coworker gifts, please leave them down below. I'm sure there's a few of us that are freaking out right now, and we'd love to know what we could put together very quickly. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and we'll see you soon. Bye. And don't forget to stop by Samantha's channel to see her DIY gift ideas this Christmas for you.